Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenie Magic here, bringing you guys a hair tutorial. And in this hair tutorial, I'm using hair from CALIEE hair store. It's an Amazon vendor. If you want to know more about the hair, the link will be listed down below. But if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, stay tuned. Let's get into it. So guys, what I'll be doing here is showing you guys the hair. This is my second time using it, and it had product in it already, so that's why it's so defined. And now what I'm doing is showing you guys how the clips work. And yeah. What I'm going to be doing first is saturating my hair with water using that spray bottle. And that's only water in there. Now what I'm doing is making my first part. It doesn't have to be straight. It just has to be thick enough for the hair to be attached to it. Now I'm going to be taking some leave-in conditioner and applying it to that section I have down and doing some finger detangling as well. After I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner, now I'm going to take some Eco Styling Gel and apply it the same way I did the leave-in conditioner. After I applied all those products, now I'm going to detangle my hair using this detangling brush. And this is going to help to spread the product more evenly within the strands of my hair. After detangling that section, now what I'll be doing is detangling the extension piece. I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner onto it and spray it with some water. Like I said before, this isn't my first time using the hair, so the hair has some gel from the previous use. That's why it looks a little hard to clear out. That the hair is cleared out, I can install it, and let me show you guys how it looks when it's inside of my hair. Now I'm going to take another section and continue to do the same thing until I'm done with the first half of the hair. This is how the first half of the hair is looking. Eventually my hair is gonna blend into it once it dries and I set it. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. Now I'm gonna begin doing the second half of my hair. For the second half, I'm going to be applying Gorilla Snot to my edges area so that it can be sleek when I put the hair up into a ponytail. Now for the second part of my hair, I'm gonna put it into like a top-notch bun. And I'm using 2 pieces of hair for that, 2 pieces of clip-ins. Also, I will be using 1 piece to wrap around the clip-in area so that the clips don't show. Ensure that all the clip parts actually snap so that you know that the clip-ins are well secured. After I'm done wrapping those 2 pieces, I'm going to take 1 clip-in and use it as a cover-up piece to cover the other clip-ins so that it may look a little more neater and naturaler. After I'm done doing my edges, I'm going to take this satin scarf and wrap it around my edges and to hold down my actual hair in the back so that it can be flattened. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be taking off my headscarf now to see how my edges look and how everything comes together. And yeah. So when I did this turnaround and I saw how my hair looked in the back actually, I fixed it after a while. So this is just how my hair looks after I take the scarf off. Of course, you're going to play with it and fix it around so it can look much better and presentable. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to know when I upload more videos.